This section examines power steering. Increased applications of front-wheel drive and wider low-profile tyres places additional loads on front wheels. Steering then demands more effort from the driver. Power steering helps to reduce the additional effort needed. It's of most benefit during slow cornering and when parking. Assistance is provided as soon as the steering wheel is rotated in either direction, and is designed so that even if system failure occurs, the vehicle can still be steered. An engine-driven hydraulic pump delivers hydraulic fluid to the power unit at the steering box or rack-and-pinion through connecting hoses and pipes. The fluid reservoir can be mounted on the pump, or it can be separate. With the engine running, fluid flows continuously from the power steering pump to the steering gear and back to the pump. With the steering wheel in the neutral position, little pressure is needed to maintain fluid flow, and little engine power is needed to operate the system.